To the topic, let's play a small game. See the picture, you can see some rabbits with numbers, right? Can you identify what all the numbers are here? Hope you have found out. The numbers are 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and then V. Is it a number? Yes, you're right. V is a Roman number. It represents 5. I think you have guessed today's topic. Yes, you're right. Today's topic is Roman numerals. Romans were used 7 different alphabets to form the number system. Nowadays, we can see the Roman numerals in clocks, books, everywhere. In this chapter, we are going to see what all the basic symbols are there in Roman numerals and what is the rule we have to follow to write the Roman numerals, and how do you have to write the numbers as Roman numerals as well as Roman numerals as numbers. There are 7 basic symbols are Roman numerals, that is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Students, can you repeat along with me? Yes, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D 500, M means 1000. With the help of the 7 symbols, we can write several Roman numerals. Like in our Hindu-Arabic system, we are using 0 to 9, right? 10 numbers. With the help of the 10 numbers, we are writing as many numbers. In the same way, with the help of these 7 basic symbols, we can write several Roman numerals. Students, please pause the video for a minute and memorize the symbols with the values. Hope you have memorized. Let us learn how to write the Roman numerals. For writing the Roman numerals, it's very important to learn the rules. Let's see what are the rules we have to follow to write the Roman numerals. Rule number 1 is letters I, X, C and M can be repeated up to 3 times. It means the value of I is 1, X means 10, C means 100, M means 1000. You can repeat the alphabets only 3 times. You cannot repeat more than 3 times. You know, repetition means addition. Rule number 2 is V is used only once. We should not repeat V as many times we want. We have to use only one time. For example, when you want to write 3, we can use I. For writing 4, we should not use I. We have another rule to write 4. So we have to repeat the Roman alphabets I, X, C, M at 3 times. Not repeat more than that. Can you tell me which is strong here? You are right. Third one is strong. Can you tell me the reason? Yes. V has to repeat only once. It should not repeat more than one time. Next one is rules for addition and subtraction. See the example. X, I, and then the next example is I, X. What is the difference between the 2 examples? Here, I appears after 2x and here I appears before 2x. What is the value of X? 10. What is the value of 5? You are right, 1. I is a smaller alphabet. If a smaller alphabet appears after to a bigger alphabet. I am repeating again. If a smaller alphabet appears to after a bigger alphabet, we have to add. If a smaller letter appears before to a bigger letter, we have to subtract. Always remember, after addition, before subtraction. We and I never subtracted. With the help of the rules, we are going to write the numbers as Roman numerals. See the first number and tell me what it is. Very good. It is 230. How do you can expand it? 200 plus 30. You are right. Is there any number for 200? No. You are not having any Roman numerals for 200. So you can use 100 plus 100. it means CC. And then there is no number for 30. So we have to use X 3 times. X, X, X. It means 10 plus 10 plus 10. It's 30. See the next example, that is 35. You can expand like this. 30 plus 5. How do you can write 30? 10 plus 10 plus 10. The value of 10 in Roman numeral as X. X, 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 B. Right. See the next one, 415. How do you can expand it? 400 plus 10 plus 5. Very good. You don't have any symbol for 400, right? So you have to write C, 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 C. Can you repeat 4 times? You could not repeat it, right? In that case, we have to move to the next symbol. The next symbol is D. So you can use D minus C. It means 500 minus 100. Then X represent 10. V represent 5. See the next one, 728. You can expand like this. 700 plus 20 plus 8. Doesn't have any value for 700 in Roman numeral. We know only 7 different alphabets, right? The biggest alphabet here is 500, and then you can use D. 600 means you need to add 100, and then for 700 we need to add one more 100, that is D, C, C. And then for 20, X, X. And then for 8, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is B, C, C, X, X, B, 1, 1. Let's see how do you have to write Roman numerals as numbers. See the first example, X, L. What do you mean by X? Yes, you are right. X means 10. L means 50. See the number X and L. Which is smaller here? X or L? S. X is a smaller number. A smaller number has appears before to a larger number. I said, right? A smaller number appears before to a larger number. We need to subtract. Yes, you are right. That is L represent 50. So we have to subtract 10 from 50, which equals to 40. See the next example, X, 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 B. I said repetition means addition. So we have to add X plus X plus X, which means 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. And then plus 5 is 35. See the next one, C, L, I, I. What is the value of C? Yes, you are right, 100. What is the value of L? 50. What is the value of I? 1. And what is the value of another I? It is 1. That is 152. That is 152. Which number has no symbol in Roman numerals? You are right, it is 0. Hope you have understood the rules. Once we practice, we could be thorough. Let's recall the rules. There are 7 symbols in Roman numerals. There are 7 symbols in Roman numerals. Can you tell me the symbols are? I, B, X, C, L, D, M. Next rule is I, X, C and M can be repeated up to 3 times. It cannot be repeated more than 3 times. And V has to use only once. V and L never subtracted. You should not use V and L for subtraction. It means you should not use V and L in front of any other alphabet. See the next one. Then the next one is, if a smaller letter appears on the right side, we have to add. If a smaller letter appears on the left side, we have to subtract. Thank you.